Samsung's forthcoming fitness tracker, the Galaxy Fit 3, has been inadvertently revealed through multiple channels. Samsung itself accidentally listed the Galaxy Fit 3 on its website, and the official user manual is now accessible online. Additionally, a hands-on video showcasing the Galaxy Fit 3 has surfaced. In the video, the fitness tracker is displayed in two color options: black, dark gray, and silver with a white wrist strap. Furthermore, viewers catch a glimpse of a couple of watch faces available for the Galaxy Fit 3. This new iteration of Samsung's fitness tracker differs significantly from its predecessor, the Fit 2. While the Fit 2 featured a capsule-style display, the Fit 3 boasts a wider rectangular display, which should enhance text readability and overall user experience. Reports indicate that the Fit 3 features a 1.1-inch always-on AMOLED display with a 5 ATM rating for water resistance. Additionally, previous reports suggest the tracker is equipped with an optical heart rate sensor for precise health monitoring. The Galaxy Fit 3 is expected to track vital metrics such as heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and stress levels. It will also offer features like step counting, exercise tracking, and sleep pattern analysis for comprehensive well-being insights. Moreover, the Galaxy Fit 3 may come with a 200 mAh battery capacity, representing a notable increase of 41 mAh compared to its predecessor. It is anticipated to support 5W charging. However, as a fitness tracker, it will lack support for third-party apps. While Samsung has not officially announced a release date for the Galaxy Fit 3, retail sightings suggest an imminent launch is highly probable.